Hi friend, today I'm going to tell you about how the operation of this fire hose reel. See the cabinet from here. This is the cabinet where the hose reel, this generally we put it inside. We just keep it inside. So open this, do like this and make it open. And see, this is the stand which hold this total hose reel stand. Okay, and see, this one is PRV. See here, PRV one, pressure reducing valve. The abbreviation of this PRV is pressure reducing valve. See from here, it will give a more clear picture of this valve. So the work of this PRV valve is to reduce the incoming water from the main hydrant pipe. So the water coming from this the main hydrant pipe contain about 250 to 300 psi of pressure. So this the work of this PRV valve is to reduce it up to 12 bar, that is up to 175 psi. Okay, so we can, so for using this you'll have to make it out. It will be like this, and see this, we call it fire jet nozzle. See, and the diameter of this nozzle is about 6 mm. This is for holding the pipe. This is the hose pipe, reel hose pipe, and the diameter of this pipe is 25 mm, and the total length of this hose pipe is about 30 meter. Okay, so for using this, what we'll have to do, just hold this pipe from here and bring it out, make it out from the reel. If you'll do like this for 5 to you'll have to make it out for 4 to 5 meter from the reel. Then the automatic, the valve will be open and the water will start filling in this pipe, and this one will have to use this nozzle. We'll have to open this nozzle like this. We'll do, then it will be open and the pressurized water will come from this nozzle, and where we need to suppress the water and the fire, we can suppress from this high pressure water. So this one is for today, and for after using this, just make it roll and just put it inside to the cabinet. So these are some knowledge about this fire hose reel. So if you like my video, then please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.